Hello, welcome to iMobie. If you encounter problems such as poor screen quality, screen interruption, or device reading failure when using AnyMiro, but the problem cannot be solved after multiple attempts, then we will need you to provide a log file to help analyze and investigate. Please rest assured that the log file is only a technical file that records the software running, including error data when the software fails to run. And it will not contain the user's personal privacy data and will not cause data leakage. Therefore, this log file can help us locate the problem and solve it. This video will show you the following 3 paths to submit log files. Method 1. Submit log file via AnyMiro. First, click the Settings button in the upper right corner of the software page, and then click the Feedback option. The feedback will automatically attach the log file. Fill in the relevant information as required. Then click Submit. When the submission is completed, there will be a sign indicating that the submitted successfully. Method 2. Submit log file via ticket. Log in to the iMobie official website and click the Support option. Select Contact Support Team, and then click Submit a ticket. Fill in the relevant information as required. Briefly describe the problem encountered. Then add log file. The default path is this PC local disk C, greater than user's iMobie app data, roaming iMobie, AnyMiro error. Then select Log System to open it. After adding successfully, click Submit a request. After the ticket is submitted successfully, the web page will automatically update to the following page. Method 3. Send log file via email. Open the mailbox and select Send Email and enter the email address cs@imob.com. Fill in the subject, briefly state the problem, and choose to add an attachment. The log file path here is the same as the second method. After adding successfully, click Send. Then click the Sent option to check whether it is sent successfully.